So first up, please join me in welcoming the Director of Films and Licensing at Netflix, Pratiksha Rao. She and her team have been bringing diverse and incredibly entertaining films to Netflix, and we would really love to know more about Thar from her. So ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Pratiksha Rao.
Thanks. Thank you so much, Minnie. And thank you to all of you for joining us for this trailer launch event of our film Thar. I'm Pratiksha from Netflix. We're very, very excited. This is a film directed by Raj Singh Chaudhary featuring the incredibly versatile and legendary Mr. Anil Kapoor, the promising young talent Harshvardhan, who is also making his debut as a producer, Fatima Sana Sheikh, Mr. Satish Kaushik, Jitendra Joshi, Mukti Mohan, and many others. Thar also continues to deepen our relationship with Anil Kapoor Films. Set in this dry and hot desert, Thar is a great example of differentiated storytelling brought together when passionate filmmakers and producers take big creative swings with us. What really excited us about the film was Raj's vision for this unique story of suspense brought to life by an incredibly powerful cast and crew. It's been such a pleasure working with them. What personally really got me excited was how this film just transports you to the vast desert of Thar through its visuals, music, supported by powerful performances, and you'll get to see some of that in the trailer. But before that, let me hand the mic back to you, Minnie.
Sure thing, and that sounds even more, exciting. You've really whet our appetite. I'm sure everybody here is really even more eager to see the trailer. Also, it involves a lot of favorites, my personal favorites, so I can't wait. But before that, ladies and gentlemen, let's invite the man of the moment, the director of the film. Please welcome Raj Singh Chaudhary. Congratulations even before we've shown the trailer to everyone. It looks amazing. Raj, the film has a very different feel, a very different quality. It's clutter-breaking, according to me. And from what I know, apart from directing the film, you've also written the film.
Yes.
So what is the inspiration behind coming out with this Western noir sort of?
So I've always been fond of Westerns since childhood, and I grew up in Darjeeling and Rajasthan. So in school, we used to watch a lot of Western films. I read a lot of Western novels, Western graphic novels, and when I used to go to Rajasthan for my holidays, I used to visualize those mountains and those cowboys and horses across the mountains.
Oh my God, we've all
And
grown
finally,
up with those.
when I became a filmmaker, I said, this is what I need to do, and organically fitting it into Rajasthan that nobody's ever seen. So,
Yeah, it is actually a little bit of Rajasthan reinvented. We've all seen Rajasthan and its different avatars, with the more popular cinema, but this is a very edgy version. So you've told us why you wanted to set it in the barren landscape, but the story per se, it's your own. Is it a personal experience?
Not exactly a personal experience, but there's something that I wanted to say as a filmmaker, as a writer, and I felt to say it in a new way, to say it in a unique way, and to say it in a way in the land that I love. That's what I want. So once you see I think the film, I can't let it out in the trailer, but once you see the film,
We'll
you know
understand
why I wanted to say the film.
Great. So we'll have to wait and hold our horses till then, literally. But I must say this is...
really need to hold the horses.
We'll hold them back. But I must say, I've been to quite a few trailer launches, but this is by far the most spectacularly depicted, trailer launch. It truly gives you a feel, and I'm very excited. I hope everybody else is. Are you? Team Thar. Okay, there you go. So, Raj, I think there's a lot more that I need to ask you, but we need to, meet the rest of the team.
Yes,
so
absolutely.
please take a seat and take your mic along with you.
Thank you.
And we look forward to hearing more about the film. Ladies and gentlemen, next I'd like to invite the star, the superstar who's been setting new benchmarks with every piece that he decides to work in and sets the screen on fire with his incredible charm in whatever he plays. Ladies and gentlemen, please put together your hands and welcome the one and only, my favorite, Mr. Anil Kapoor. Hello.
Hello, Minnie. Thank you so much for giving me such a wonderful introduction.
Do you
थोड़ा सा और बोलती तो बेटर होता.
बोलती तो बेटर होता लेकिन आपकी फिल्में बोलती हैं सर मैं क्या बोलूंगी
फिर भी?
बट ऑल आई कैन अच्छा बोलती हूँ चलो बोलूं
बोलो ना.
इम्प्रॉम्प्टू बोलूं
Yes, बोलो, बोलो, बोलो.
Ladies and gentlemen, what is it that this man cannot do? Look at him. He actually wants me to say this. Okay, I can, but for the sake of brevity, I first want to know, Anil, what is it that really, really attracted you to this film? Okay, Rajesh told us why he wanted to make the film and set it so. But what is it that attracted you? I know that it's not your world, and that you were telling me backstage that you got sucked into it. How did it happen?
Well, I think it's the all the young talent which is involved with this film, which really attracted me to the film because I feel there's so much to learn from them, and it's very educative, and I love taking risks,
That you've done with everything you've done. You've
Yeah,
kind of,
so, and most of the times the risks have paid off, and hopefully is going to pay off in a big way with Thar also. To be honest with you, the script was Harsh. My son pitched, I was in Austria, and he pitched the script. I took it over there. I read it in one go, and I just loved it. And then Harsh introduced me to the director, and he was also, young and handsome and good-looking.
totally objectifying you.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And so I met him, and I just met him, and I just liked him as a person. For me, it's very important to work with good people, hardworking people.
Actually,
sincere.
that was my next question to you. You always like creating an environment which enables you to, put your best foot forward for the character that you're playing. So
Yeah.
what was it about Raj that worked out for you in the film?
I think his good looks.
Objectifying
No,
you? Yeah.
obviously he had written it, and the storytelling was completely, which I had, something which is new to me, and I said, why not? And Harsh, वैसे भी अतरंगी सोचता है थोड़ा,
So can we call this a new age Anil Kapoor character? This is something जो हमने पहले कभी देखा नहीं है, because definitely the setting is something we have not seen you in.
I just feel that I always what I pursue with every film is to make everybody happy. My first thing is to make my director happy.
Is your director happy? You.
Yeah, so I that's what is very important. When I get a smile on my director's face, when when my producers who have like Netflix is when they are happy, they are the kartar darta of this film. So they are happy. That makes me happy. So when I see smiles on their faces and they are as excited as we are, so it makes me happy. All the actors are happy, and then we produce the film, and a company, and everybody who was there during the shooting of the film, they said this is the best experience we've ever had with any film they have done. So that makes me happy.
But AK Films is known to be like really, really good producers. That's the
But
buzz in the market.
there is a twist in this. There is a twist in this. Well, obviously we've done the the production and we've done earlier also quite a few films, but this film, of course, as I have said it in the earlier also, was pitched to me. Not only Raj, but he introduced me to one of the most wonderful director of photography, Shriyas, who's done a wonderful job. And then the editor, and then the art director, and everybody, all the technical team, absolutely, they've done a stupendous job.
Great. I actually want to talk to Raj a little bit more about the fact that your DOP was a woman, but we can save that for later because, I mean, I'm totally fired up to see the trailer. So we'll have to, again, hold our horses.
Thank you very
Anil,
much. Yeah,
thank
so-
you so much. And
Thank you.
please
Thank you all
come
of you all
and
for
see-
being here in
have a
such
round of applause
large numbers.
for
And,
the one and only.
you know, ऐसा लग रहा है कि it's like a homecoming after, I think, more than 2 years.
Yeah, it's so nice.
I'm here at a press conference, and it feels good. 2 years during the pandemic, we all missed each other. Matter of fact, I missed you all more than what you all must have missed me. So it's good to be back, and I hope you all are happy when you all see what you all see. Thank you very much.
It's really wonderful to have everyone unmasked and sitting with us and, you know, celebrating cinema and films again. It's just absolutely wonderful. So, ladies and gentlemen, now let's find out what the man who can actually slip in very effortlessly into every role that he plays has to say about Thar. Please welcome veteran actor, star, Satish Kaushik.
Thank you very
It's
much.
good to see you. You're a happy face in a really intense, broody film. हाँ, ये बताइए कि मतलब रेगिस्तान की ये जो कड़क धूप है, उसमें आपने शॉट्स कैसी थी? अभी तो मतलब बाल भी नहीं है, कैसे क्या?
Luckily, actually, and first of all, thank you everyone for coming for this very important, lovely film, very personal film, you can say that.
आइए,
As-
let's move this side. आइए.
ओके यार जगह चेंज हो गई बाकी सबने तो वहीं पे किया था
हाँ.
मैं चाहता था कि मैं भी
मतलब
फ्रेम में
अनिल
आऊं.
सर चाह रहे हैं कि आप
अच्छा.
अच्छी लाइट में आ जाए.
ओके ओके एनीवे उस गर्मी एक्चुअली मिनी लकीली जो प्लान हुई थी फिल्म तो इट वाज ड्यूरिंग द विंटर्स लवली वेदर लवली फूड लवली प्लेस टू स्टे ग्रेट लोकेशंस ग्रेट पीपल यंग यूनिट यू नो
So new energy all in all, हाँ? From
ऑल
all the
ओवर
films that
तो
you've done.
गर्मी अभी यहाँ तो खैर रेत में तो तकरीबन हमने 50-55 डिग्री में भी शूट किया हुआ है लेकिन थार वाज शॉट इन अ लवली कोल्ड वेदर which was really brilliant to be there, you know. That was the...
And how was it for Calendar to work with Mr. India again? I mean, wasn't it down the memory lane? मजे तो आए होंगे.
That was really special because after a long time, Anil and me were together
Yes.
on the screen together, and it was the most lovely thing because Anil and me go long back. It is a long journey of 40 years together.
Yes, absolutely.
When Anil did his first film, Wo Saat Din, as a leading man, actually I played a bit part in the film. It's just a 2 dialogue role
I'm going
in
to
the
have
film.
to see the film again now.
Yes, you have to see that. I played a flower wala in that. And I remember that how relationships grow. This is destiny. This is God. That by doing just a two dialogue bit role, I became his personal friend, family member. I think that is God's greatest gift to me, to be with Anil Kapoor right from that film, you know. And I remember very nice anecdote when I was doing that role. I needed a shirt for the character. And I remember Anil bringing a shirt and he told me, you know, wear this shirt. This was worn by Rishi Kapoor in Phool Ke Liye
क्या
Gulshan.
बात है.
And I was very happy to wear that shirt because it was worn by Rishi Kapoor in Phool Ke Liye Gulshan. That shirt, you remember, Anil? Yeah, no?
How did
That-
you?
that we
How did he get that shirt? Is what I want to know.
Because more than the hero, he was the production guy of the film also. He was looking after, you know, he saw my play in Prithvi Theatre and he suggested Boni, you know, that you should take him for this role. And Boni was giving me 201 rupees, but he pushed him to give me 501 rupees. But later on,
I hope he pushed Netflix to give you much more than that this time.
so that is my relationship with Anil. I'm very I'm very grateful to be part of this film because it made me very happy. I was into the best of time,
Yes.
doing a very special role, very warm role. What Anil and me share, in
Ji,
personal life,
ji.
that to share on screen.
Ji.
So, and the great unit.
Great, all the best. I'm sure आपकी इसमें भी, there's something about it, about your character of the constable in Thar, which really, really makes me want to see it. So we'll talk a little bit more about that. But before that, I need to now call on another actor. Please take a seat. I need to call on popular theatre and film actor and Netflix's very own Kartikar from Sacred Games. Please put your hands together for Jitendra Joshi. जितेंद्र
जी
आपने मतलब इस फिल्म में भी मैंने सुना है एवरीबॉडी इज टॉकिंग अबाउट योर परफॉर्मेंस इन दिस फिल्म ऑलरेडी एटलीस्ट दैट्स व्हाट द बज़ सेज बट हमने आपको कई मीडियम्स में देखा है वी हैव सीन यू इन थिएटर वी हैव सीन यू इन नेटफ्लिक्स शोज फिल्म्स does your process change when you're doing a show and when you're doing a play to when you're doing a film?
नहीं, मुझे नहीं लगता कि प्रोसेस चेंज होती है। मैं उन एक्टरों में से हूँ जो कुछ अपनी ज़िंदगी से उधार ले लेते हैं, कुछ औरों की ज़िंदगी से उधार ले लेते हैं और पूरी तरीके से डिपेंडेंट रहते हैं डायरेक्टर के ऊपर। तो यहाँ पे वही चीज़ थी कि जिस दिन पहली बार ऑडिशन के लिए बुलाया गया, ऑडिशन देने के बाद जो मैंने ऑडिशन दी थी और जो वहाँ पे एक लड़का था उसने कहा थोड़ा सा एनर्जेटिक परफॉर्मेंस कीजिए। उसके बाद राज भाई ने वो देखा और मुझे बुलाया और कहा कि थोड़ा ना नेचुरल करते हैं। तो मैंने कहा सर जो मैंने पहला टेक दिया था मैं वो आपको करके दिखाता हूँ। जब वो करके दिखाया तो फिर उसके बाद 1-1.5 घंटा बात चली आराम नगर में, उन्होंने मुझे फिल्म क्या है ये बताया और उसी वक्त ये हो गया था कि इस फिल्म का हिस्सा तो मुझे होना ही है, क्योंकि एक तो इस तरीके का सब्जेक्ट लिखा जाना आज के दौर में, इस तरीके से उसको फिल्माया जाना और उसके ऊपर जो अभी आपने बात की कि अपने बचपन को मेरे जैसे बच्चों ने जो गुजारा है वो इन साहब की फिल्में देखते हुए गुजारा है। तो मैं तो शूटिंग पे जब था मैंने बोल भी दिया कि मैं मिस्टर इंडिया और कैलेंडर के साथ शूटिंग कर रहा हूँ आज। तो मेरे लिए वो बहुत बड़ी बात है, मेरे लिए वो
It's huge.
मेरे बचपन को मैंने वो गिफ्ट दे दिया कि ले बच्चे, जो मिस्टर इंडिया देख के तुझे वो घड़ी चाहिए थी, घड़ी नहीं मिस्टर इंडिया ही मिल गया तुझे, तो मैंने अपने आप को गिफ्ट दिया वो। तो और मुझे खुशी इस बात की, मैं ये ज़रूर बताना चाहूँगा, हालांकि ये क्वेश्चन होना चाहिए हर्ष को, लेकिन मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि एक बड़े बाप का बेटा अपने बाप के पास ज़िद किसी भी चीज़ के लिए कर सकता है ना, गाड़ी के लिए कर सकता है, ज़मीनों के लिए कर सकता है, घर के लिए कर सकता है। इस बच्चे ने अपने बाप के पास इस चीज़ के लिए ज़िद करना कि मुझे ये फिल्म बनानी है और आप इस फिल्म का हिस्सा रहेंगे। तो मैं हर्ष को थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगा कि उसकी ज़िद की वजह से आज इतना सुपरस्टार, और उन्होंने जो काम किया है हर एक इंसान का, हर एक किरदार, छोटे से छोटा बड़े से बड़ा, ये फिल्म मुझे लगता है कि मैं इसका हिस्सा हूँ। मैं आज ट्रेलर लॉन्च है इसलिए नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, मैं इसके पहले भी राज भाई का कई बार मैंने फ़ोन कर करके मैंने बहुत सर खाया कि थैंक यू मुझे फिल्म का हिस्सा बनाने के लिए, बिकॉज़ ये फिल्म जितना अभी नज़र आ रहा है वो रेगिस्तान की तरह है कि जितनी ऊपर से नज़र आ रही है उससे कहीं ज़्यादा अंदर गहरी है और उसमें कुछ राज छुपा है। और वो राज हर एक उस आदमी का है जो आदमी अपने घर की औरतों से प्यार करता है, अपनी बच्चियों से प्यार करता है, हर उस आदमी के लिए।
अब हमें हिंट मिल गई कि आप क्या बात कर रहे हैं, बट फिर भी हमें ट्रेलर देखने की उत्सुकता तो और भी बढ़ी रही है। शुक्रिया जितेंद्र, आपने आके फिल्म पे अपने एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में थोड़ी बात की, थोड़ा और बात करेंगे।
जी हाँ, जी हाँ।
लेकिन उसके पहले anyway what Jitendra has said, I'd now like to call on the actor who's known for taking up challenging roles and making them look really easy, the immensely talented and the lovely Fatima Sana Sheikh. So, badi extenuating circumstances mein Fatima has come here with a sprain and well, you're all here in one piece.
मौका थोड़ी ना छोड़ते हैं और मैंने एके को कॉल किया था बोला था मैं पेन में हूँ क्या करूँ उन्होंने बोला बाबा आना तो पड़ेगा व्हील चेयर में आ जाओ पर आना तो पड़ेगा but I'm really glad that I'm here.
I'm so glad you're here. You were saying something again?
I just want to मैं शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ फना जी का सबसे पहले कि उन्होंने हमारी फिल्म की और दूसरा ये है कि बहुत पेन में थी एंड मैंने उन्हें कहा कि आना ही पड़ेगा इमोशनली ब्लैकमेल किया मतलब व्हील चेयर में भी हो तो भी आना यू नो बिकॉज आपके आने से फिल्म तो चार चांद लग ही गया आपके मगर ये प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस यू नो अधूरी हो जाती अगर फातिमा नहीं होती फातिमा इज चलो आप करो बाद में तारीफ करूंगा उनकी मैं
इतने काइंड है
You played the same game on me. अभी मेरी तारीफ करो अभी मैं आपको बोलती हूँ अभी करो.
जनरली आप
No.
प्लीज
Okay, thank you. Okay. All right. You know, actually, you know, Fatima, I really want to know. आप जब भी कोई फिल्म करती हो उसमें हर you know you always choose to portray a character. You know, you've done different kinds of roles. You've played a warrior. You've played you know different roles. You know, a wrestler for heaven's sake. But you always choose roles that have spunk. So, what was special about the character that you are playing in Thar?
आई थिंक आई बीन वेरी फॉर्चुनेट बहुत लकी रही हूँ कि मुझे इतने स्पेशल और डिफरेंट रोल्स मिले एंड इट्स द सेम विथ हार इट इज सो अवे ऑफ यू नो अभी तक मैंने जो भी किया है एंड ऑनेस्टली फॉर मी द रीज़न वाई आई वांटेड टू डू दिस फिल्म इज़ कि हमारा डायरेक्टर इतना सुंदर है उफ
Save your आंखें. Normally हम you know बेचारी हीरोइंस पे सारी ऑब्जेक्टिफिकेशन होती है आज हम डायरेक्टर पे टूट
डायरेक्टर पे
पड़ेंगे.
हम फिदा है
चलिए.
दूसरा एक है I mean, it's
Always AK.
very special because when I got to know that in this film AK is there, I was बचपन से fan रही हूँ and he is really very special and हमारी ऐसे on and off बात होती है कभी I was like कि ये तो नहीं छोड़ूंगी मैं this is not happening बड़ी मुश्किल से चांस मिलता है उन लोगों के साथ काम करना जिनको आप really admire करते हो जिनका काम आप बहुत पसंद करते हो and you're inspired by them.
Yeah,
you know.
absolutely. Who would miss a chance like that? So you put AK in a film, and the rest of the cast just comes.
अपने आप आ जाइए
अपने आप आ जाती है
मधुमक्खी
magnet.
अपने आप आ जाती है शहद के पास
All right. And now I can't. I have to see the trailer. So without further ado, I'm going to call the protagonist of this film, of this really intense, broody film. Please put your hands together for the ruggedly handsome and really cool Harshvardhan Kapoor, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations, absolutely. I'm following you right up there. Ladies and gentlemen, the protagonist of this film, I mean, this is looking incredible already. Harsh, you know, I've already got so much information from everybody else on the film. But हमें बताया गया था that you have referred to this film as an educational experience for yourself. Tell us about it. Why did you pick it? You know, AK just told us that you really pushed him to be in the film. It's a film that looks different. It looks clutter-breaking. It's set in a very new age sort of, you know, setting. What has pulled you into it?
Just really good writing, and it's it's hard to find material that is a bit subversive and a bit different from what we're used to watching. So for me, the template has always been to try and do things that are new in a way, and whether that's good or bad is not my place to decide. But the idea is to give the audience an opportunity to experience something new every time I try and do something, and as long as I can keep doing that, that's enough.
You know, every time you come together on screen with your father, like I loved you guys in AK versus AK as well. You do something different, okay?
Right.
So in this one, is there something that is really you picking up another elemental, behavioral thing that you do together in this?
I mean, that was quite different, kind of a comedy, and
Yeah,
had a lot of dark
completely
humor, and
different
it was
space.
kind of meta, and this is, I think, cinematic and very visual and an experience, a cinematic experience. So, you know, that's the idea, is to kind of break away from the conventions of what people expect a father and a son to do together.
Amazing.
You know, and just kind of try and really believe in the characters and be honest to the characters, and then because it's not about me or it's not about him.
Right,
It's about
right.
the film, and it's a director's medium, you know. So the idea was to, for me, when I started interacting with Raj in 2018, was to keep asking myself always through every step of the journey is why, you know, why are you doing this? Why do you want to do this? We can all do so many other things. But I think for me, it was to make sure that Raj's vision is not compromised. And that was the main target, you know, because I could see when I read it and interacted with him right away is that if we got to a point where we were able to be honest to what was on the page, we would have something very,
Right.
very special.
And Raj, how lucky for you to have a cast that basically is enabling your vision and, you know, saying whatever the director wants is what we want. So
No,
they all
I'm-
committed to that vision.
Absolutely, I'm immensely. Oh,
Hanji?
yeah, I'm immensely.
Agi, we are going to have lots of opportunities. Don't worry. Relax and listen to this. Come along the ride with us. Yeah.
No, I'm immensely grateful for this opportunity because, first of all, Harsh, he believed in the story and it was something that nobody has done before. And for Harsh to believe in it and understand it and then take it to Anil sir, and Anil sir believing in it and understanding that what we were trying to do, and then everybody coming together, and finally Netflix understanding the whole vision.
Absolutely.
And giving us the ample opportunity to just do what we wanted to do. And they have been great. And
You know, I think we'll have the audience in a better space once they see what we're talking about. So, ladies and gentlemen, do you want to see the trailer now? Great. I think all of our friends are now here and we can't wait any longer. So, ladies and gentlemen, presenting the trailer of Thar. This was truly amazing, guys. And my favorite line is, ये picture शायद गब्बर के बारे में नहीं है. So I'm waiting to find out कि गब्बर के बारे में नहीं है, तो jailer के बारे में, heroine के बारे में. It really looks fantastic. Raj, in this, you know, the way you've shot it, the desert itself is a character in your film. You know, it's doing amazing things to your story. So how did you build, you know, the desert up as a character in the film?
So you're absolutely right. The desert is actually a character, the desert. So because the film, the tonality of the film is such, you've seen in the
Yeah.
trailer, and a lot of credit has to be given to the cinematographer and also to our production designer. Shreya Devdubey is the cinematographer and Wasik Khan is the production. And we got together and we built this world slowly by slowly. And we went to and we hunted locations where nobody has been there before. And I know Rajasthan like the back of my hand.
And I know Rajasthan like the back of my hand in films,
In
because
films,
you've
yes.
seen all those locations, you can
Yes.
almost identify them.
Yes, we've seen
But
palaces.
this looks
we've seen,
amazing.
We've seen
beautiful.
sand dunes. We've seen, but this is nothing of that sort. This was Rajasthan that nobody has seen. And if you see westerns, you see that they have a certain tonality and a certain vibe to it. And we tried to organically fit this story into that world.
Yeah, you can almost feel the dry air and the chapped lips and the cracked, you know, it looks beautiful. Apparently, so Anurag Kashyap has co-written the dialogues with you.
Yes, this line is his, the whole Sholay lines. He's written the dialogues, yes.
Acha, lovely. So that is amazing. My next question is to you, Satish ji. You know, ऐसी क्या आपको स्क्रिप्ट में, स्पेसिफिकली स्क्रिप्ट में बात लगी जिससे आपको लगा कि ये रोल तो मुझे करना ही है, I'm not gonna let it go.
दो चीज़ें थी. एक तो मेरे को अनिल ने ना बहुत पहले एक बार हर्ष ने ही बनाया था इसका एक जिसे बोलते हैं ना को शूट करके कुछ थोड़ा सा पोर्शन और वो हमने अनिल के घर के स्क्रीन पे देखा था. उसी वक्त लगा था कि कुछ अलग प्लान हो रहा है, कुछ अलग एक ऐसी चीज़ हो रही है जो आज हमें दिखाई दिया यहाँ पर. इसका बीज एक्चुअली तभी डल चुका था असल में, और तब दिखाई दिया तो वो खास बात, एक खास पिक्चर जो अलग तरह की है, जिसका जरा परिवेश है जो बहुत अलग है, जिसकी कहानी कुछ दबी दबी कहानी है, ऐसी ऊपर उठती हुई कहानी नहीं है जिसमें आप जो इंट्रीग क्वालिटी जो हम बोलते हैं ना कि इंट्रीगनेस है कहानी के अंदर, स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ने के लिए दी मुझे, और पहला ड्राफ्ट मतलब वो कोई पुराना ड्राफ्ट भी दिया था, वो ड्राफ्ट पे और बहुत काम हुआ बाद में, लेकिन बेस्ट स्क्रिप्ट के जो क्वालिटी थी वो ये थी कि इसका जो डिज़ाइन स्ट्रक्चर और इसके अंदर कही हुई बात जो है ना वो दबी दबी थी, कोई बहुत सरफेस लेवल पे कुछ भी नहीं था. इट वॉज मच मोर ऑन द इंटरनल साइड. लाइक हम वेस्टर्न देखते हैं ना, हमको दिखाई देता है क्लिंट ईस्टवुड अगर
Absolutely.
सिगरेट पी रहा होता था
Right now.
तो उसको बोलने की जरूरत नहीं होती थी, उसके फेस, उसके क्लोजअप, उसके स्टैंडिंग पोस्चर के अंदर आपको पूरी कहानी पता चल जाती थी. और जिस वो बैकग्राउंड में खड़ा हुआ होता था वो बैकग्राउंड भी कुछ कह रहा होता था, वो लोकेशन भी कुछ कह रही होती थी. तो वो पढ़ते पढ़ते ऐसा लगा कि वाकई में हिंदुस्तान के अंदर जो है ना एक पहली रियल प्योर वेस्टर्न बनने जा रही है. वो स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ के लगा, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. और दूसरा ये कि अनिल कपूर, प्रोडक्शन, नेटफ्लिक्स, हर्ष, डायरेक्टर राज, जो जिसका विजन मतलब जब इसने बताया था, सुनाया, वो ना वो सब चीज़ मिलके जो है बहुत
अमेजिंग पैकेज.
अमेजिंग.
और आपकी हर फिल्म में एक लाइन होती है जो चिपक ही जाती है. सो आई वांट टू नो, इस फिल्म में भी आपको कोई ऐसा तकिया कलाम है या कोई ऐसी लाइन है जिसको हम आगे जाके कोट करेंगे कि ये वाली लाइन सतीश जी ने थार में बोली थी?
मैं कोशिश करता हूँ हमेशा, अपने डायरेक्टरों को बड़ा परेशान करता हूँ मैं, यार कोई एक ऐसी लाइन हो जो ऑडियंस को हमेशा याद रहे.
हाँ.
मैंने इसमें एक बड़ी अच्छी लाइन बोली है और वो मेरी ट्रिब्यूट है उन वेस्टर्न्स को भी. असल में
वो परमिशन है राज की
वेस्टर्न
क्या?
हमने बहुत देखी ना, हमने बचपन से लेकर के वो हमको अंग्रेजी हीरो जो है ना वो बड़ा अच्छा लगता था. तो वो मुझे हर्ष को मैं पहली बार देखता हूँ ना और ये बोलता है पता कर इसके बारे में कौन लड़का है ये, तो मैं समझे ना, तो ये जब चला जाता है ना तो मैं इनको बोलता हूँ हुकुम कोई अंग्रेजी पिक्चर का हीरो लग गया है ये है ना, ये कोने में बैठा बैठा सिगरेट पीता रहता है, समझे ना, देखता नहीं है किसी की तरफ. तो वो अंग्रेजी पिक्चर का हीरो लग गया है ना, वो मेरे इट केम टू गिव ट्रिब्यूट टू द वेस्टर्न एंड द वे हर्ष लुक्ड एंड ही वॉक्ड. You know, for me, he was straight out of those, you know, westerns which we have seen.
Which
you
we've
know.
seen and
It is
emulated.
like that, you know.
Wow, that's amazing. जीतू, आपसे हम पूछना चाहेंगे, you know, आपने तरह तरह के जो रोल्स किए हैं, you know, अपनी कन्विक्शन के साथ किए हैं. टेल अस, आप जब कोई एक कैरेक्टर पकड़ते हैं तो अभी आपने बताया ऑफ कोर्स कि राज और आपने मिल के यू नो उसकी टोनालिटी बनाई कैरेक्टर की. व्हाट इज योर सॉर्ट ऑफ मेथड टू क्रैक द कैरेक्टर दैट यू आर प्लेइंग? मतलब जो
मुझे एक सच्चाई बयां करूंगा, मतलब कि जब पहली बार आप स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ते हो ना तो आपको कुछ नज़र आ जाता है, कोई एक आदमी उस जैसा. तो ये जो बंदा है ना, इसको देख के कई ऐसे लोग मेरी ज़िंदगी में पुरुष हैं जिनको मैं आई हेट देम कि वो पुरुषों की वो क्वालिटी जो है ना जो मुझे बिल्कुल भाती नहीं है, तो वो उसमें वो क्वालिटी थी. लेकिन राज भाई ने मुझे वो बताया था कि इसको ना ये नॉर्मल है, ये सोचता ही ऐसा है, तो इसको कहीं पोर्ट्रे नहीं करना है. और मुझे और एक बात, बहुत बड़ी बात मुझे बमन सर ने बताई थी जब हम लोग एक फिल्म कर रहे थे कि जीतू हमेशा याद रखना कि ये फिल्म में ये सीन क्या कर रहा है और उस सीन में तू क्या कर रहा है. ये जैसे कि हर्ष ने बताया कि ये फिल्म है, ये किसी एक आदमी का ये नहीं है, ये ब्यौरा इनका है राज सिंह चौधरी जी का कि ये कहाँ से देख रहे हैं और वो बता रहे हैं ना कि यहाँ से देखो इस कैरेक्टर को. तो वही मैंने करने की कोशिश की है. बाकी बकबक तो बहुत कर पाऊंगा कि ये सोचा था वो सोचा था, लेकिन सच में बोलूं
तो आपने डायरेक्टर की लेंस से देखा इस कैरेक्टर
हाँ
को,
जी, हाँ
उसको
जी,
निभाया. अमेजिंग. As you can notice, I'm completely skipping Harsh and Anil sir for questioning because I'm reserving those questions for all of you. But I have a question also to ask Fatima before we move on to questions that you will get from the audience. Fatima, इसमें आप एक राजस्थानी ब्राइड प्ले कर रही हैं, डेम्योर कैरेक्टर.
हाँ, आदत नहीं है.
आदत नहीं है ना? Tell me there is a twist.
उसके लिए आपको फिल्म देखनी पड़ेगी. मैं सब कुछ बता दूंगी तो फिर राज मेरा खून कर देगा.
No.
अंत में मेरी बॉडी दिखेगी.
To be very honest, what I'm trying to say is कि आपने अभी तक जो भी कैरेक्टर किए हैं, चाहे वो you know दंगल हो या फिर ठग्स में आई where you played warrior or you played you know a wrestler. How did you get the nuances of this demure Rajasthani bride right?
Honestly, मैं इतना सोचती नहीं हूँ. I'm very instinctive
Okay.
and Raj knew what he wanted. So
Okay.
जुगलबंदी होती है उनको पता है कि क्या चाहिए क्योंकि ही इज़ वेरी क्लियर ही इज़ लिव्ड विद द स्क्रिप्ट सिंस गॉड नोज हाउ लॉन्ग
But you're playing the bride, so.
हाँ बट यू नो व्हेन द सीन इज रिटन वेल देन आपका एक इंस्टिंक्ट होता है एंड कोई प्रोसेस नहीं है मेरा आई एम आल्सो लर्निंग यू नो
And what's Harsh like as a co-star?
he's very good he's very calm as you can see that he is very shant also but extremely dedicated very hard working he knows what he is doing and that's a great thing and a lovely co-actor आपको क्या चाहिए सेट पे कि कोई आसानी के साथ जिसके साथ आप एक्ट कर सको जो आपको परेशान ना करे
और जिनकी विजन सबकी विजन सिंक में हो in the-
सबकी विजन सिंक
in the show.
सब पैशनेट हो यू नो अबाउट द फिल्म दैट यू आर डूइंग तो बस
Amazing. This is really whetting my appetite. I have a lot more questions, as you can see, but I'm going to leave a lot of questions for the cast, for our friends in the media. So I'm going to be handing the floor over to you. Please raise your hand. We'll have mics sent out to you. बताइए किसको सवाल पूछ रहे हैं? There's a lady there right at the back.
नमस्कार, मैं हूँ आपकी रेडियो की हीरोइनी रोहिणी 91.9 FM रेडियो नशा से। मेरे शो का नाम दिया था अनिल कपूर ने and that is why my show is called Jhakas Morning. Sir, you're looking fantastic. A big hand for Anil ji, please. Thank you. Satish,
Say something new, yeah.
say something. Okay, can I say you are definitely the youngest looking Nana there ever will be. Sir, वो तो नहीं है ना?
All in good time.
है ना?
Guys, all in good time.
तो यस सतीश जी और अनिल जी आप दोनों से ये सवाल है मेरा और वो है ये कि ये जो जुगलबंदी है आप दोनों की सालों से हम देखते आए हैं यू गाइज आर लिटरली आर टू फेवरेट पीपल टू वॉच ऑन द स्क्रीन सिंस द 90s. अनिल सर आपसे यही सवाल है कि
80s.
80s so from the 80s till now
Get your decades right.
yes trying on a retro radio station we better do that right. Anil sir आपसे ये सवाल है कि what is that X factor between the two of you that keeps making you all come back together बार बार आज 2022 में भी.
I think एक ही चीज़ कहूँगा कि we both love films, we love being on the set, we love telling stories, and we love, both of us love being part of a director's vision, and we go with the vision, and we love acting. We just are passionate about acting, and we both love laughing. We love laughing, and we just and making fun of ourselves. So सतीश खुद का मजाक उड़ाता हूँ, मैं अपना मजाक उड़ाता हूँ, और जब सतीश नहीं होता तो मैं सतीश की बुराई करता हूँ, जब मैं नहीं रहता हूँ तो सतीश मेरी बुराई करता है.
Laughter makes the world go round. Okay. Can we have someone else in the audience right here? Can we have a mic here, please?
हाय हर्ष हाय अनिल सर. हर्ष जैसा सर ने बताया कि आपने उनको ये स्क्रिप्ट दी थी, आप चाहते थे कि वो ये कैरेक्टर करें, तो क्यों आपको ये लगा कि इस कैरेक्टर के लिए सर ही परफेक्ट हैं? और आपको लगता है कि जो फादर सन डुओ एक जब आप लोग साथ में आते हैं तो एक और इंटरेस्ट बढ़ जाता है, एक वेल पैकेज कह लीजिए या ज़्यादा वो बन जाता है?
Yeah, I think it's be easier to answer that question once you guys have seen the film. But no, I mean, I just think, you know, we needed somebody. Raj wanted. Raj and I discussed, you know, the possibility of this happening with Dad, and it just fit. And I think once, for me, the idea was to just kind of try and make sure Raj gets, you know, the correct actors for all the roles, not just Dad's role, but even Fatima and Mukti and Jeetu ji and everyone. So Raj was quite sure about the fact that he wanted Dad, and then it just kind of happened from there.
And also performing with him.
Yeah.
कुछ like he's your father and he's
Right.
superstar. तो जब एज एन एक्टर आप परफॉर्म कर रहे हो, स्क्रीन शेयर कर रहे हो, तो कुछ नर्वसनेस रहती है कि किस तरीके से आप लोग दोनों लोगों के लिए?
I think that ice was broken with Vikram's film, you know, and we shot, I think, AK versus AK for 2 or 3 days. I have a smaller role in that film, and that was quite a extroverted character that I was playing in that film, which is very different from who I am in my real life. So I think the ice was kind of broken there, and so by the time we got to Thar, so much time had been spent. We had done a film together, that this film had kind of come out, and I try and kind of focus on my job and not get overwhelmed by the situation or who else is in the film. So I don't really see it as you know, family member, or just kind of, because otherwise
Let me add to
Yeah,
that
sorry,
question,
sorry, go ahead.
Harsh. Does the fact that you're acting with your father make you a little more edgy and nervous, or a little more comfortable? What is the
neither.
vibe?
I think
Neither?
I think I just approach the scene the same way I would if it was anybody else.
Amazing.
Right.
आपका माइक कहाँ गया? ले गए? ओहो, किसके पास पहुंचा?
Mike Ponchao, immediately.
Okay, can we see some? Yeah.
20-25 mic और लाओ.
And let's see who else wants to put a question out. Right there, you already have a mic.
Yeah.
So let us. We'll take your question.
My question? Yeah. Cool. Raj, I wanted to ask you, Indian cinema has always had a curious relationship with the Western, and we've had our own tradition of Daku films. Recently, we've seen a resurge of the genre. I'm talking about films like Son Chiriya, films like Lal Kaptan, you know, which what you call revisionist Westerns, which put in a lot of social issues into the movies as well. Is this a similar exercise, you know, to explore characters, how local politics, things like that, or is it more stylistic?
No, it's more stylish because the films that you mentioned, they have a sort of a Western sort of a vibe to it, but they haven't gone very deep into that genre. Only, in my opinion, there's been two films that have dived deeply into it. One was Joshi Le. Incidentally, sir was a part of that. Mr. Shekhar Kapoor was directing it earlier, and I think Sholay. But my inspiration comes from what I saw as a child after watching Clint Eastwood and all those films, and when I used to go to Rajasthan. So I belong to a part of Rajasthan that you see in the film. And it was born out of that.
On that note, Anil sir, what are your favorite Westerns that you remember watching and loving?
So, ये मैं क्या करता हूँ जब मैं कोई भी फिल्म करता हूँ तो मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कि आई ट्राई माई बेस्ट दैट दुनिया में जितनी भी उस जॉनर पे फिल्म बनी हो उस किरदार के लिए उस फिल्म के लिए सो आई सी ऑल ऑफ देम सो थैंक्स टू दिस द स्टोरी द स्क्रिप्ट आई थिंक आई हैव सीन आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट वेस्टर्न्स एवर मेड इन द वर्ल्ड एंड जैसे कि राज ने कहा कि कहीं ना कहीं देयर वर अदर फिल्म्स बट वेरी फ्यू फिल्म्स हैव बीन मेड इन इंडिया यू कैन काउंट ऑन योर फिंगर टिप्स but yes, of course, there's all the Sergio Leone films. I'm a huge admirer of Sergio Leone. The way he would visualize, use the music, performances, you know, stylish but fun. You know, a lot of fun. So all the Sergio Leone films, and of course, there is lately I've seen one of my favorite films is No Country for Old Men, directed by the Coen brothers. I just love the film. I love all the performances, and of course, Once Upon a Time in the West, which commercially at that moment didn't do that well, but directed by Sergio Leone. The music was great, and I loved the film. So, जितनी भी फिल्में वेस्टर्न बनी हैं मैंने सब देखी क्योंकि ये पेंडेमिक के एक साल थोड़ी सी हमने बाद में शुरू की बट इतना वक्त था मेरे पास तो मैंने सारी फिल्में देखी और बहुत बहुत मज़ा आया बट कीपिंग दैट दिस इज़ you can't say that this is a pure Western. It's got love, it's got passion, it's got violence, it's got suspense, it's a thriller. तो ये सारी चीज़ें हैं बिकॉज आज की फिल्म है ये एंड डायरेक्टर और राइटर ने कोशिश की है कि today's younger generation can relate to it because वो जो पुरानी फिल्में थी वेस्टर्न वो उसमें people would not somewhere feel कि नहीं यार वो बात नहीं है but this has got today's feel to it and I think youngsters will relate to the film all the young viewers and consumers और आज हिंदुस्तान की जो मेजॉरिटी ऑडियंस जो फिल्में कंज्यूम करती है चाहे वो नेटफ्लिक्स पे हो चाहे वो थिएटर पे हो वो are these youngsters and this film caters to those youngsters I feel. Yeah.
Amazing. I think we have someone right there with a...
Hi Harsh. This for you. AK versus AK, Ray, and Thar. Are you the new blue-eyed boy for Netflix?
I think I hope that they still want to work with me after this one, uh, because I've really pushed for what I wanted. And but I the thing is, the idea is we're in a very interesting time in the world where you can make something and stream it anywhere on the planet. So I think the ability to do that through this platform is, you can't put a price on it, because you can't predict who your story is going to touch in what part of the world. They have an incredibly broad spectrum of people that subscribe to Netflix, and it also takes away, in a way, is the whole monetary aspect of the first day collection and the satellite and all that. So you don't really have to. I mean, I never think about that anyway, but it just puts you at rest, where it just becomes about the film. And they're great producers. They're the best in terms of, they're very understanding. They're sensitive and empathetic towards the artist, which is why you get to see AK versus AK. You get to see Ray. You get to see this. Film like Bhavesh Joshi that doesn't do well in cinemas thrives on Netflix. It'll always be there, and it has become what it has now today because of them. So I think no matter what happens, and wherever I go, I'll always be indebted to them. Yeah.
हर्ष आपने हमें बहुत इम्प्रेस किया है आज ट्रेलर में, एंड मिर्ज़ा के टाइम में एक कॉन्फ्रेंस में आपने कहा था कि मैं एवरी 2 years एक फिल्म किया करूँगा. अब ऑलरेडी आप लेट हैं, आपको स्पीड बढ़ानी पड़ेगी. कुछ कहें.
No, I want to work a lot more, and I just think, as if the opportunity is there, I love to work. We all kind of want to be on set. The more you act, the better you get, and it's all about practice. But the idea is to not compromise on one's creative integrity just to go to work. I think sometimes less is more. I hope everybody likes this film.
अनिल साहब, आजकल ये साउथ की फिल्में काफ़ी अपना सिक्का मना रही हैं. उनकी मेकिंग भी कुछ डिफरेंट लग रही है बॉलीवुड से. आपको क्या लगता है, कुछ कंपटीशन होने वाला है आगे चल के?
ये गलत आदमी से सवाल पूछ रहे हैं आप. क्योंकि साउथ ने हमेशा अच्छी फिल्में बनाई हैं, हमेशा.
Correct.
मैं तो जब से मैंने होश संभाला है, हमेशा साउथ की फिल्में ने लोगों ने पसंद किया. चाहे वो राम और श्याम हो, चाहे वो एक दूजे के लिए हो. पता नहीं आप लोगों को ये फिल्में पता है ना. तो बहुत बेहतरीन फिल्में बनाई हैं और वो बनाते रहेंगे. और दे हैव ऑलवेज बीन काइंड ऑफ एन इंस्पिरेशन. मैंने अपना करियर साउथ से शुरू किया. मेरी पहली फिल्म जो थी वो एज अ लीडिंग मैन तेलुगु फिल्म थी, जहाँ से मुझे प्रोफेशनलिज्म, डेडिकेशन, डिसिप्लिन मुझे सीखने को मिला. मुझे बापू साहब के साथ काम करने को मिला. उसके बाद मैंने फिर एक कन्नड़ा फिल्म की, वो भी साउथ की थी, मणिरत्नम की पहली फिल्म थी. एंड उसके बाद मैंने बहुत सारी फिल्में की, एक्शन फिल्में की, रखवाला, इंसाफ की आवाज़. सतीश जी के साथ मैंने 2 फिल्में की, वो भी साउथ की एडेप्टेशन थी. हम आपके दिल में रहते हैं, हमारा दिल आपके पास है, दोनों सुपर हिट थी. तो साउथ ने हमेशा अच्छी कहानियाँ, अच्छी फिल्म, टेक्निकली हमेशा ये दौर था, है और चलता रहेगा. फिल्में अच्छी आएंगी और वो अच्छा काम करते हैं. एंड आई ऑलवेज लुक फॉरवर्ड टू ग्रेट डायरेक्टर्स with a great vision, and I've always admired them, and I think मुझे I don't get surprised. ये तो होना ही है और होता रहेगा जिंदगी भर.
Right. We have someone right here who's been waiting for a question.
Hello everyone, I'm Raj. My question is for you that in terms of music, apart from the Western spaghetti, there are also strong influences of the Rajasthani folk. So what was the idea behind the music designing of the film?
So when we decided, Ajay Jayanti composed the music. When we decided on the music, it was that we will have a smattering of Rajasthani folk, but a larger picture would be that we would have music that is a little more in tune with the tone of the film. And we've seen a lot of Rajasthani music coming into films, Gujarati, Punjabi. So we wanted to move away a little and be a little true to the genre, but with a smattering of Rajasthani folk in it. We've used instruments that are generally not used So
Okay, can we have questions?
Hi, Anil. Sana here from Indian Express. Towards your right, but yeah. Harsh, of course, spoke about how he doesn't look at working with his father a very special or a different experience. But Anil, how has been your experience? Was that paternal responsibility comes in when you're shooting with him? And added to that, you worked with both Sonam and Harshvardhan. How different and similar are they as actors?
You're trying to create sibling rivalry over here?
I'm sure it's there already.
Yeah, no, it's not there. So, obviously, as Harsh said, that, AK was the film which, somewhere broke the ice, and that the tentativeness, the anxiousness was there for me on the first day when I was shooting for AK versus AK. Matter of fact, I was more nervous than he was. And but because it was a long monologue, मैंने अपने करियर में इतना लंबा मोनोलॉग नहीं किया है. मैंने हमेशा डायरेक्टर बोलते हैं इसको तोड़ तोड़ के लो यार, इतना लंबा मेरे से होगा नहीं. So when that long monologue came, and when he gave the shot, and Vikram and Anurag both have been very encouraging as well as very, very critical about Harsh. They both. And they do it more out of love so that he becomes better and better. And so they both started, was, सबकी अनुराग ने ताली बजाई, विक्रम आके पहली बार इसको जाके हक कर लिया. तो मेरे को अनुराग हर्ष बोलता है यार पूरे भावेश जोशी में इसने आज तक इतने प्यार से मेरे से बात ही नहीं की और हक किया. So there I saw what he's capable of. लोगों को एक गलत इंप्रेशन है कि बहुत सीरियस है, इंट्रोवर्ट है, समटाइम परसेप्शंस, जैसे मेरे बारे में पहले कुछ परसेप्शन था, फिर चेंज हुआ, हर 10 साल में चेंज होता रहता है. एंड इनके बारे में ऐसा था. तो जब मैंने देखा कि इस तरह इन्होंने वो सीन किया विच वाज सो फनी, एंड आई वाज हैप्पी दैट द एंटायर मीडिया, all the critics and everybody just praised his work, and they loved what he did. तो कहीं ना कहीं रिलीफ भी था और खुशी भी थी, and I was proud. मैं अगर इसकी जगह होता तो मैं नहीं फिल्म करता. AK वर्सेस AK मुझे ऑफर होती है और बोलता है कि भैया योर फादर इज देयर फिल्म एंड ही इज द हीरो ऑफ द फिल्म और ये छोटा सा रोल करना है. मैं बोलता मेरे को फादर का रोल दो. You understand? So this is the way the younger generation is today. They are fearless, and at least he is, and which I admire, and I'm very proud of him. And so when we were shooting in Thar, एक दो suggestion मैंने दिए, but the suggestions were rejected. Yeah, मैंने बोला तू ऐसा कर, नहीं डैड ये गलत है. And then I said, अच्छा देख करके बता साले. Then किया, then he was right and I was wrong. So he did it in the way he believed was right. Then of course Satish was there. So Satish ने भी जब shot देखा तो मेरे पास सर बात तो है. You know how it is. तो वो बात फैलती है, वो पता चलता है. और कोई भी चीज़ जो धीरे फैलती है उसका impact धीरे धीरे होता है. So that's what it is. So there is nothing very, कोई ऐसी बात नहीं थी, कोई nervousness नहीं, anxiousness नहीं. I just enjoyed working with him, and it's a जैसे कि हम लोग शूटिंग कर रहे थे तो मैंने इसके बाल देखे. मैंने उदयन को बोला, उदयन is our CEO of the company. मैंने यार कोई हेयर ड्रेसर या कोई मेकअप क्या है, कैसा लग रहा है यार, मुझे बाल ऐसे हैं और ये वो ऐसा. तो बोला यार बजट नहीं था. मेरा बजट नहीं था यार, मेरे से ले लेते पैसे. बोला नहीं यार, बोला नहीं वो बजट नहीं था. तो हमने सजेस्ट किया कि इसको कर ले. तो फर्स्ट डे जब वो हुआ तो अपना बाल और हेयर, तो फिर हर्ष ने बोला यार हटाओ यार, ना मेरे को हेयर ड्रेसर चाहिए ना मुझे मेकअप चाहिए. सो दिस होल फिल्म ही इज डन विदाउट अ हेयर ड्रेसर एंड देयर इज नो मेकअप मैन.
वाओ.
ना कोई हेयर ड्रेसर है ना कोई मेकअप है. सो दैट्स द वे टुडे जनरेशन इज. दे डोंट नीड दिस paraphernalia and entourage and all. तो उसने किया है. तो what you see on screen, there is no hairdresser, there is no makeup. हम लोग सब बाल जरा बाल ठीक करना यार, कैसा लग रहा हूँ मैं. That kind of stuff. but that's what it is. Yeah.
Nice. Yeah. Can someone have a mic given to this gentleman? Do we have someone that's that side? Okay.
Hi, Harsh. My question's for you. With this Netflix project, Thar, you're going to be debuting as a producer. How do you feel about this new role, and how has your experience been so far?
It kind of just happened by accident in a way where this film was supposed to be produced by Vikram Motwani. He called me about it in March 2018 when he was editing Bhavesh Joshi, and it was supposed to be a phantom film. That's when I met Raj for the first time. After that, the company dissolved. They all went their separate ways, and there was no Phantom anymore. So I found myself in a situation where I was very new. I was only 2 films old. This was before Ray and AK versus AK. Raj was new as a director, although he had acted a lot before. And we had a really interesting script, which was very different from what was being made even now. But imagine that like 4 years ago, the streaming thing hadn't really kicked off the way that it is now. So we went around for a year to several producers, and at that time it was supposed to be a theatrical film, and it was, it's quite, I don't want to say too much about the film, but it's not your traditional stereotypical Hindi film format film. So that was a difficult process, so we persevered for about a year. In that year, we ended up spending a lot of time together. We used to meet at my house every couple of weeks. We used to work on the script. And he knew that I was the protagonist now, so obviously he started kind of interpreting the character in a slightly more unique, different way. It was unique to me in a way. And so through that journey, the process kind of started. And then I think it was 2019, and a producer came to offer me a love story. And I said, I'm not too interested in this type of thing, but I have a really good script, why don't you read it? And he read it and he liked it, and he came on board at the time to do this film in a much smaller way than what you're seeing now, but we were quite excited, and at that time then we started kind of casting and trying to put it together, and then we spoke to Dad, after which we did a test shoot, what Satish ji talked about briefly. We shot 3 scenes from the film. I'll tell you what the scenes are after you see the film. But we shot it for very nominal, almost no money. We shot it in Andheri, somewhere in a rented space. And 1 scene out of those 3 turned out quite well. So we started shopping that scene around, saying that, this is the script, this is the test shoot, I'm going to act in it, Raj is going to direct it, Anurag has helped write it. And that's when Netflix came on board. So by the time we had a funder, I had already been, Raj and I had been trying to do it for almost 18 months. Then we were supposed to shoot in 2020 March, because you can't shoot in Rajasthan in the summers, and then post the monsoons it's too green, and we wanted more of a barren kind of landscape. So it was very seasonal in terms of when we could go, and then COVID happened. So this was right after the AK versus AK shoot. So he was busy every day, obviously, on set. I had a small role. I finished it, got into prep. That's when we signed Shreya to shoot the film, and Vasik came and all of that. And then we were all ready to go, and then we had to wait at home for another 10 months. So in those 10 months, then he got free. We both sat on the script a lot more. It, developed it a lot more. Then Netflix were very kind to us because they gave us more of a leeway with the money that we could spend and how large really we could kind of make the film. And so for me, it's been 4 years. For him, it's been 8, a little more, 4 plus years. And it didn't, then obviously Netflix kind of had their own great ideas about the script. And so we collaborated with them. Then we went to shoot. Then there were challenges on set. We came back, we watched edits. We bettered things. So it's been incredibly educational, stressful, but in a very healthy way. And I think acting is something I'm doing right now, and I'm really enjoying it. But for me, I don't think any of us should limit ourselves to saying, I'm only an actor and I'm going to be an actor for the rest of my life. I'm somebody that just loves films. So I want to do it all. And there's no better way to learn than working with Vikramaditya Motwani, Vasan Bala, Rakesh, Om Prakash Mehra, Raj, Anurag Kashyap. These are the best minds in the business. so you have intimate experience with them as as a leading actor and a producer. It's definitely going to enrich you in ways. And when I came on stage, Minnie asked me, about the producer thing, and it was honestly just to make sure that no external forces could kind of water down his vision. So yeah.
Wow.
Thank you.
Yeah,
That's
hello.
deep insight.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, my question.
There's,
Hello.
there's a gentleman here.
Yeah. Hi, Harsh. Long time. Anil, sir, after a long time. My question is to Harsh. Harsh, just wanted to know how much liberty you took while working with living legend Anil Kapoor, because every actor's dream is to work with Anil Kapoor, and you have already in-house you have done. So how much liberty you took while sharing the screen?
Liberty in
acting?
In terms of, no, I just, like I said, I think I was just focused on my job. Try not to get overwhelmed by the situation. And when you're in the scene, you have to think of the other person as the character in the film and not the persona of the actor or the celebrity. And so I was just really focused on my role, really.
Fatima, question for you. While sharing screen with Harsh, how was your experience and chemistry with him and Anil Kapoor, sir?
बहुत ही बढ़िया मतलब अमेजिंग था बिकॉज आई लाइक आई सेड दैट ही इज़ वेरी कोऑपरेटिव वेरी सपोर्टिंग हज की बात कर रही हूँ पहले हाँ मतलब
Just to be clear.
नहीं पहले उनके बारे में तो ही इज़ बीन वेरी सपोर्टिंग एंड फॉर हिम टू बी एबल टू ब्रिंग दिस प्रोजेक्ट टुगेदर इज़ क्वाइट इनक्रेडिबल एट दिस यंग एज सो with him I've had a great time and with AK sir तो क्या बोलूँ मैं क्या बोलूँ what an aura and magical aura this man has. He is incredible. Every time he would come on set, no, ऐसे there was this electrical bolt, मतलब volt, क्या बोलते हैं उसको bolt ही बोलते हैं हाँ वो and it's so infectious because the moment he would come in you would all feel एकदम as if बहुत energy आ गई. Even like when I was low, I would just speak to him and instantly I would feel good. So he has this incredible magical aura and I'm so glad that I got to share the screen space with him. So I'm very happy. And Satish ji and Jeetu ji and Raj, you also. I love you too.
Jitendra, my question is to you on your left. Yeah. So all of us have loved you as Katekar in Sacred Games. Your look is amazing in this one. Are you expecting the same kind of love to come towards you with her?
ऑडियंस से तो प्यार तब मिलता है जब पहले तो सेट पे जब आप काम करते हो तो आपके जो को एक्टर्स होते हैं और सेट पे काम करने वाले बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं साउंड करने वाले लोगों से लेकर स्पॉट बॉयज से लेकर सारे लोगों ना प्रोडक्शन जिस आदमी ने आपको आपका मेहनताना दिया है मतलब पैसा दिया है ना वो भी तो खुश होना चाहिए फिर बाद में ऑडियंस खुश होगी और सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि इतनी फिल्में मतलब जितने दिन मैंने जितने साल मेरी उम्र नहीं है उससे उसको 3 से 4 से गुनोगे उतनी फिल्में कर चुके लोग हैं अनिल सर ने जब बोला कि हाँ जीतू मतलब जो बात की है मैं वो बात अभी यहाँ पे ऐसे नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि उन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा बोल दिया था और राज भाई जिन्होंने ये फिल्म लिखी है जिनका विजन है तो काटेकर था मेरा चयन ये है कि मैं अगर कुछ अलग कर पाऊँ तो वो मेरे लिए खुशी की बात है और सबसे ज़्यादा खुशी की बात है कि जिसने ये विजन रखा जिसने लिखा है जिसने डायरेक्ट किया और जिसने इसमें अपना योगदान दिया है एज अ प्रोड्यूसर उन सारे लोगों को अगर पसंद आए तो वहाँ पे तो मतलब आगे फिर ऑडियंस का है ऑडियंस को मैं इस कैरेक्टर की बात नहीं करूँगा लेकिन हाँ ये फिल्म ज़रूर पसंद आएगी ये उनको अपनी फिल्म लगेगी फिर वो यंगस्टर हो चाहे वो मेरी माँ हो माँ की उम्र की कोई इंसान हो या कोई मेरी नानी की उम्र के इंसान हो ये फिल्म सबको अच्छी लगेगी
Okay, thank you, Jitendra. We have one.
जीतू जी आपके मुंह में घी शक्कर मतलब आपके मुंह में घी शक्कर
Fatima,
We have time for one last question
on your left.
now.
On your-
And
Hi.
so it's this one.
Fatima, you've done action and physically intensive roles before, Dangal, Thugs. I was curious. The Western is traditionally a very men's playground for action, but do you have intensive scenes like that in the film as well?
एक्शन तो नहीं है यार, ऐसा ज़रूरी थोड़ा ना हर फिल्म में कूदूंगी नहीं, बट ऑनेस्टली फॉर मी ये जो जॉनर है, मैं ज़्यादा अंग्रेज़ी फिल्में देखती नहीं हूँ तो मुझे ज़्यादा पता नहीं है, बट ये जॉनर जो है ये इस फिल्म के साथ मुझे मालूम पड़ा कि ऐसा वेस्टर्न नाम का भी कुछ होता है, इस तरीके से शूट किया जाता है, ऐसी स्टोरी होती है, अलग ट्रीटमेंट होता है. सो आई एम ग्लैड कि थ्रू दिस फिल्म, थ्रू राज स्क्रिप्ट, that I've gotten to experience that. But ये भी अपने तरीके से एक बहुत ही स्पेशल चीज़ है, क्योंकि एक्शन अलग जगह है, बट ऐसे रोल्स करना भी एक बहुत ही स्पेशल चीज़ होता है.
Thank you.
Thanks, यार.
So, ladies and
This
gentlemen,
lady's question has not been answered yet.
the first one.
The first one, क्योंकि माइक नहीं था उनके पास.
So I'm going to give
तो मैं ये
her
नहीं चाहूँगा कि वो घर जाए
the mic.
बिना सवाल.
He doesn't. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, my question is for Fatima.
There you go.
फातिमा, राजस्थान कितना एक्सप्लोर किया और पहली बार आप ग्रामीण महिला के किरदार में हैं, तो किस तरीके के लिए आपके लिए कैसी चैलेंजेस इस किरदार के लिए?
राजस्थान तो बहुत सुंदर है और इस फिल्म के वजह से मुझे वो राजस्थान देखने का मौका मिला. रोल तो मैं बहुत इंस्टिंक्टिवली प्ले करती हूँ, तो स्क्रिप्ट में जो होता है आई जस्ट ट्राई टू डिलीवर, and because Raj is such a good director, he pays attention to the performances. It was very easy to play that character. I don't know लोगों को I hope पसंद आए, but मैंने बस कोशिश की है जो स्क्रिप्ट में लिखा है उतना कर लूँ.
This is the last question. But go on. I know we cut you off, in the first one.
मेरा एक्चुअली सवाल ये वही था जो सना ने बाद में पूछ लिया कि आपको प्राउड फील हो रहा, मतलब कितना प्राउड फील होता है स्क्रीन शेयर करते हुए हर्ष के साथ पे, तो
उसका तो मैंने
ये उन्होंने
जवाब दे
बाद में
दिया.
पूछ लिया
तो अभी फातिमा जी ने पूछा कि पता नहीं ऑडियंस को पसंद आता है मेरा काम नहीं, मगर मैं ये दावे के साथ कह सकता हूँ कि मैंने भी बहुत लड़कियों के साथ काम किया, मगर फातिमा जना शेख एक स्पेशल एक्ट्रेस है, बहुत ही स्पेशल है. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इनका जो करियर है अब एक बूंद ही हुआ है, अभी सागर बनना और बनेगा.
क्या बात है,
ये दावे के साथ.
The great AK.
She's and there is of course Mukti who's over here, who's wonderful actress and डांस करती तो कॉम्प्लेक्स देती है. तो she's a fantastic actress. वो पहला इनका डेब्यू है, पहली फिल्म है इनकी धार. So thank you Mukti for being part of this film and
Mukti Mohan, ladies and gentlemen, उनकी debut film है. Let's make it really special for her. That is amazing, and I'd like to thank everyone. Mukti, we'd like you actually on stage, and Udayan and Pratiksha, you as well. Ladies and gentlemen, members of the press, thank you so very much for joining us today and sharing this big moment with us. I'm going to leave you now to take your photographs with the crew and with everyone.
Sorry to say.
Thank you for being here and do enjoy the film.
आवाज कहाँ गई? हाँ.
ये जा सकता.
You all have been wonderful, fantastic. The media, thank you so much, all of you all. Thank you. जबरदस्त, एकदम झकास.
झकास.
Hey, दिग्विजय है यार, दिग्विजय बैठ ना। अभिषेक अभिषेक
सबका मोबाइल छीन लो।
कपूर साहब सामने, कपूर साहब हाँ सर, और एकदम सामने।
फातिमा फातिमा
फातिमा जी
मार रहे ना फोटो कपूर साहब इधर आओ।
सेंटर सेंटर सेंटर
फातिमा जी आराम से थोड़ा सेंटर में
सेंटर 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 ओके ओके
सेंटर
फातिमा फातिमा सेंटर, फातिमा सेंटर, फातिमा सेंटर यो,
फातिमा जी प्लीज
हाँ शॉर्ट सेंटर यो।
फातिमा जी सोलो जितेंद्र साहेब नंतर या तुम्ही
फातिमा जी प्लीज
फातिमा जी सेंटर सेंटर
सेंटर प्लीज
सेंटर सेंटर,
अरे हाँ बरोबर है बरोबर है बरोबर है
फातिमा सेंटर यो 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 यो।
हाँ आई 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 आई
प्लीज कम।
एक मिनट बेटा एक मिनट सर हाथ छोड़ा ये बराबर राउंड है सेंटर
मोबाइल जरा
आए थे ये
लास्ट ही हो गया।
चलो हो गया अभी ज़्यादा हो गया। हाँ गाड़ी से एक को मारा मारी हो गई। ओके ब्रो
धन्यवाद।
सतीश जी और अनिल जितेंद्र का सोलो जितेंद्र सोलो राहिले सोलो सोलो हो गया ना और किसका हाँ बाबा इन हाऊस झालं तर सांगा थँक्यू
धन्यवाद। अरे जितेंद्र तो सोलो
अभी फातिमा और ले रहे अभी इसमें देखो अरे हो गया ना वही फ्रेम हो गया फिर से चेंज हो गया
धन्यवाद।
सर यो बोल
कपूर साहब
ए दादा हम लोग अरेंज करेंगे आप मत आओ उनको पता है
कपूर साहब
सतीश सर हाँ अभी ये दोनों का सतीश सर ओनली टू फातिमा हाँ बस अरे थाम ना माझं वाईट आहे यार एकदम फुल
फातिमा जी प्लीज
कपूर साहब
प्लीज फातिमा जी
कपूर साहब हिट हो
फातिमा जी
अरे कपूर साहब पहले से हिट है भाई क्या कर सतीश सर सोलो सतीश सर आइए हाँ सतीश सर ये बोल दादा एक मजे
1 2 का 4 1 2 का 4
मुक्ति सोलो अरे क्या बात है
आकाश यही छपेगा।
हाँ किसके पास
थैंक यू
सोलो सतीश सर
गार्डन
गाड़ी नहीं दिख रहा है
हाथ से क्यों हिलाते हैं?
अरे हाथ हिलाना ना, मेरे कैमरे में आ रहा है तो पीछे से करना थोड़ा। इतना आगे क्यों कैमरा डालता है? हाँ कैमरा नीचे करना थोड़ा। इधर इधर झाला तुमच्या जगा दे मला। हर्ष 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 सर 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 एक मिनट। हर्ष हर्ष वन मोर। अनिल सर सामने। हाँ हर्ष हर्ष सामने। अरे मेरा कैमरा तो आगे है यार, इधर फ्रेम नहीं आ रहा है यार।
चलो थैंक यू।
हाँ दोनों का
आगे मत जाओ, आगे मत जाओ,
आगे कोई नहीं जाएगा।
अरे आगे मत जाओ,
आगे मत जाओ,
आगे मत जाओ। हो गया
आगे मत जाओ,
आगे मत जाओ, पीछे पीछे हट बाबा, पीछे हो जाओ, पीछे ले लो, पीछे ले लो, पीछे हो जाओ, हटो हटो तुम लोग हटो। हर्ष बैठ जाओ ना एक पे साइड में।
पोज दे रहे हो सुजीत भाई, रहने दो। ये पिक्चर का स्टाइल है। हर्ष बाबा थोड़ा लुक भी दीजिएगा। हाँ नीचे हो जा।
ये उधर से कैमरा जरा ये करो। विशाल क्या कर रहा है?
कैमरा कैमरा
विशाल मेरा फिल्म मार रहे जाने दे। अभी क्या अभी हो गए सर।
साथ में बैठे।
साथ में बैठने हैं।
हाँ टू शर्ट पे
कितना हिला रहे हैं? थोड़ा पीछे हो जाओ, थोड़ा सा दीपक।
हाँ हाँ
ये कैमरा पीछे के ना, जरूरत नहीं मेरे को, जरूरत है।
ओके
अरे अरे ऑडियो पीछे से एक मिनट और एक फ्रेम मारते रहो। दादा हाथ 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 हो गया। एक सेकंड ठीक है
सर, इधर सामने। अनिल सर सामने। और बाबा सामने।
हर सर यहाँ पे एक मिनट। डन 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 चलो थैंक यू
थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू सर।
अनिल सर अरे एक मिनट रुको ना
सर सर इधर इधर
अनिल सर
अनिल सर
दादा 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 थोड़ा अनिल सर सर मेरी तरफ थोड़ा
सर थोड़ा यहाँ पे सर मेरी तरफ। अनिल सर मेरे लिए अनिल सर
चलो थैंक यू। चलो चलो एक मिनट।
सेंटर 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 या
सेंटर सेंटर अनिल सर
थैंक यू
अनिल सर
कैमरा थोड़ा पीछे लेना डायरेक्ट आगे डाल रहा है। हाँ तो तू आगे
डन सर।
है।